National security is one of the single biggest concerns of Jamaicans and one of the government's key missions to ensure prosperity for the nation. So it's no surprise that it receives a $4 billion increase to its recurrent budget for the 2022-2023 financial year. That plus $6.97 billion for capital spending, plus approximately $99 billion at the ministry's disposal to implement policies and interventions that will make Jamaica a safer place for all. On the operations side, 3 units within the police department received a combined increase of over $490 million to boost the delivery of services and human resources. A large chunk of that will support the training and development of new recruits for the police force, with the aim of achieving 1,500 new members annually.
We did 1,250 this year, 2021. 2022 we'll do the 1,500 and move the force up another 11 or 1,200. Till we get to at least the 14,000 that is considered the establishment figure.
$59 million more is being pumped into the intelligence unit to enable accurate collection, processing, and dissemination of intelligence for investigations.
We will be pushing back hard on these criminals. We are not going to give them the space to continue to create the terror they are trying to do.
More priority is being given to the implementation of community safety initiatives and the expansion of community policing. This will be done through the Police Violence Interruption Strategy and Proximity Policing with a budget of $180.5 million. With $424 million at its disposal, the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICA, will be adding more resources to its information and communication technology services. The agency's capacity to detect and prevent fraudulent activities will be enhanced by an allocation of $236 million. And from a total of $1.49 billion for border security processing, $193.6 million is included for the implementation of a health electronic travel authorization solution. 5 capital projects have been earmarked for the 2022-2023 financial year, all financed by the government through the Consolidated Fund. The Jamaica Defense Force, the JDF, will continue the procurement of surveillance cameras and other hard and software devices to support the Jamaica Eye program.
The development of the Marine Air Cyber Command as a unit in the JDF was a strategic move to, in fact, create the kind of holistic approach to deal with our coastline and our coastal zone.
That was last year. In the new fiscal cycle, the JDF has been given $2.7 billion to make final payment on one ship and put a deposit on another, along with purchasing coastal surveillance equipment to strengthen the border security efforts. Approximately $319 million has been allocated in the estimates of expenditure to complete the construction of the forensic pathology autopsy suite.
We have to provide our police force with the required facilities, physically, technologically, and all the support services required to ensure we can do it. We are work, so the budget is crucial. The institutional support and organization is critical, and the legislation becomes crucial as we are working to put all those in place.
Construction of the Westmoreland Police Divisional Headquarters will move forward with a $700 million budget. The design has been completed and the contract is up for tender.
That station will cost about just over $2 billion. We are committed to it, and I said it's gone to contracting and being evaluated as we speak and should be able to begin before the end of the year.
Meanwhile, the ministry's 5-year security strengthening project will continue to build out the police force's ICT network. Among the targets for the new financial year are the installation of surveillance equipment at the Department of Correctional Services, as well as network drops for JCF high-priority sites. Fiber optic cable will also be purchased for the JCF, along with a mobile command center. And the force's case management system, stations record management system, and the jail management software are to be completed.
The police department, the budget will be restored. We can build numbers, increase capacity, and provide them with the tools that are required to make it successful.